Sir, student suicide is one of the most important issue in the country. In other house, there was an answer given by the minister on 2023. In 5 years, from 2018 to 2022, around 80 students had been suiciding only in higher education, like IIT, IMM, etc. One of the reasons is the caste discrimination is also happening in this college institutions, sir. Those who belongs to SC, ST, OBC students are treating like a second life students. Sir, this issue is one of the bigger issue which has to be considered in most urgently. I don't know whether the government is taking any action on these things. So one day before yesterday, one very sad incident happened in a coaching center in Delhi. 3 of the students had lost a valuable their life. This coaching center, I am told by the media that this coaching center had no approved building at all. Without approved building, without any facility, this coaching centers become, some of the coaching centers become mafia, sir. Whether the government is going to take any action, any guideline on these things, sir?
Honorable Chair, sir. Honorable member has raised a question which is not related to the question put today. But I would like to assure through you, this House, sir, this government is committed to total socio-psychological or mental protection of all kinds of students, whether they are studying in a coaching center, whether they are studying in an institution, school education to higher education. Regarding guidelines, sir, the latest guideline regarding coaching centers, Government of India, in the month of January 2024, there is a exhaustive and detailed guideline to all the states, and lot of states have their own regulations also, like Rajasthan, Bihar, and some more states, Goa. They have their own guideline, own regulation to look into the matter. And regarding the protection, this is socio-psychological issue. We all have to take care. This is not a issue to deal only through allegations and answers.
Since Mr. Khadge has taken a view that he does not agree to 267, then when I have a discussion today, you can speak out. इसीलिए बोलेंगे नहीं मेरा ये है नहीं one second, don't look at them. Sanjay, look at me. I give you permission. You don't get permission from them. Look here. ठीक है
30 सेकंड
संजय एक बात सुनना। माननीय खड़गे जी ने जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था, क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है, और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे, उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजर्न करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए। जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए बैठ जाइए।